In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create websites or fully functional web apps, like maybe a cozy macro calculator with a database using Lovable. You don't need coding skills, and we'll build everything step by step. So the first thing that we went ahead and did is that I gave it a prompt and I made it really nuanced. Create a cozy, simple habit tracker, a one-page app with a landing headline, a habit list, drink water, walk 20 minutes, a daily check-in area with today's date. After users log in, they can tick habits for the day, save each check-in to the database, and show a friendly streak/progress widget. Keep the design warm and minimalist. So you can chat with it, you can have nuances in the conversation, and all you need to do is press this little button right here. So basically what you just witnessed right here is that on the left is what is called the prompt/chat area. And on the right is your preview of whatever it is that you're asking it to create. If you need any small tweaks, you can ask it to maybe edit the spacing in the text of the app. And if you don't need anything, you just don't have to say anything. And if you want to roll back, maybe you tried something with Lovable and you didn't really love it, you can just say restore original settings, for instance. But right now we don't want to restore whatever it is. Or you can open history to jump back right here. View history to see what you've told it before. But it tells me here that it needs Superbase's integration in order to include user authentication, the database storage, streak tracking. So I'm like, okay. And it tells you everything. I love that the AI is actually pretty intuitive. To get started, simply click on the green Superbase button in the top right. So here we go. Let's press the green Connect Superbase. And now we want to connect Superbase right here. So right now we are in the process. I asked it to sign up via Google to Superbase. It's asking me to, name a company name or a team. If it's personal, educational, whatever, let's make it personal. And you can use the free tier, by the way, to access all of these things that we are trying to make with Lovable. And we press create organization. And you can rename it later, so that's fine. Everything is super quick thus far. Now that we've connected Superbase to Lovable, I'm back here on the website. And if you think for a second, ooh, I've lost my project, you have not at all. If you just scroll down, you can find the two projects that we just created and a project that I was toying around with earlier. Let's just press this one right here, and it's going to take us to it. All right. So we're back here in the preview/chat prompt window. We've created a Superbase account. All we need to do is press this green button right here, and a window is going to pop up. Connect Superbase. And now we've created an organization, so it should show up. Yes, absolutely. That's my organization right here. Authorize Lovable. There we go. Your Superbase organization has been connected. There we are. We close this off right here. Manage connected organizations. Now we have everything ready and on the go. Done. Now to finish this habit tracker, what's left? That's the AI. You can just keep speaking to it. Now let's see what it tells us. It's spinning up a preview. It's connecting Superbase for backend. Okay, is it happening? I'll check your Superbase setup and built the complete habit tracker with authentication, habit management, daily check-ins, and streak tracking. So it thought for about, 2 minutes or so, and now I'll check your Superbase. Your cozy habit tracker is now complete. I've built a full-featured app with warm green colors, authentication, habit management with defaults, add remaining features, preview latest. What happens if we press here? So you can actually show you the code, but we don't want that. I want to sign in. So this was just like a mock sign-in because you didn't really have to create because the app is still being actualized. And there's the little page that we have for the app. It's the date. It's how complete we are. Add a new habit. Go on. You can just press add. And there you go. And you can tell it, oh, okay, I've done one. I've done two. And what if I do all of them? Great job. Another habit completed today. Now, if you want to, mess around with the design, all right, so I added some edits. Use warm beige background. Use rounded cards and smooth, subtle animations. Keep it single page. Landing, habit list, today's check-in, and everything. And let's press right here. I don't know if you have enough credits, but let's try it anyways. Let's see how long it takes as well and what changes it actually implements and how quickly. All right, I think it was worth it. So we don't have credits left, but it implemented all our things. Your cozy habit tracker is now complete, and I think it's very cozy now. All right, sign in. It's just a and the edges are rounder. It's very beige, very calm on the eyes. Everything is in one page, and all that's left to do now is click publish. And it gives you a website address that anybody can access. Lovable generated project. Review security. You can press publish right here. Now, to look professional, you can connect a custom domain. Hostinger is an easy option, and it pairs nicely with Lovable. Set your domain, add DNS per instruction, and your Cozy Habit Tracker is live on your own URL. And you can use the link in the description below to get started with Hostinger. And that's it. Your one-page Cozy Habit Tracker is live with login, saved check-ins, and streaks, no code required. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Do you want your own domain? Check the Hostinger link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.